Hey everyone, it's Callie. I hope you're doing well and I hope you've had a lovely holiday season. Today I am sharing my annual recap video. In years past, I've done videos about nail polish, a huge nail polish recap, but last year I started a new tradition of recapping my favorite nail art looks from the year. So this will be our second year doing that and I'm so excited to share this with you. Last year was so much fun to make and this year was even more fun. So I am so glad you're here. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, or if you're not new, I'm also so glad you're here. Thank you for coming back for another video. So without further ado, let's get into the 2023 nail art recap. So throughout this video, I'm going to be listing a few things that I liked about each manicure, a couple different pictures so you can see the inspiration or something that just goes with it, and I will be rating each one, and it's going to be really fun, so let's get into it. This first manicure is really cute. We have this pink and girly leopard print manicure. This one is from January 31st, 2023, and I love this one. I think it is so cute. I really like the colors. This one was inspired by a picture that I found on Pinterest. I love saving nail art looks on Pinterest. It's so much fun. I have a board with a lot of different ideas and I was in need of a manicure for a special occasion, so I thought this one was super cute. And I really like how minimal this one is, so even though it includes a really fun kind of classic nail art element, the rest is really simple, and I love the combination of colors, and I just think they're really aesthetic and pretty, so that's really fun. This manicure is also really special to me because these were the first nails that I painted in my new place. You guys know that I was moving for a very long time and these were the first nails that I got to create in my new home, so that was really fun. And overall, like, leopard print has always been one of my favorite nail art designs, and once you've learned how to do it, it is really simple, it's really easy, you don't need a lot of tools, so this is a really fun one to learn if you're just getting into nail art, and it was probably one of the first ones I learned, probably from Cute Polish, of course, one of my favorite channels. So yeah, this one overall was just really fun and easy to do, pretty quick. And yeah, it was also pretty easy to do on both hands. I've gotten better at that over the years, but it's still tricky, so I appreciate designs like this that make it a little bit easier. So in any case, my rating for this one would be 9 out of 10, and the only reason I took a point off is because I just really love the nail shape in the inspiration picture, and I also really like how the accent color of pink is a little bit brighter, so I think I would like to try this one again maybe one day and do it a little bit more closely to how the picture looks. But other than that, I adore this manicure and I think it turned out super cute, so let's move on to the next one. Next up is my He Is Risen Easter nail art, and this was such a lovely design to get to create. I actually did two different designs on both hands, so here's a picture of my other hand, and I used both of these designs for a couple different nail art collabs on Instagram, so that was really fun. But I just love how elegant this design looks. I really like how pretty it is with the simple background and then the pretty flowers and of course the cross. I think it's so beautiful and really meaningful. So what I tried to do with this one was, on my one hand I had the cross standing up, and then on my other hand I had the cross laying down with a really pretty heart above it, and I just love how that represents that Jesus is risen, and I think that is so beautiful. So I do have a caption that explains a little bit more about this manicure over on my Instagram, so you're welcome to check that out if you like. The link will be in the description down below. And I forgot to say, but this manicure is from April 6th, 2023. This one was really fun to create. I had a lot of fun with it just because it was a little bit more of a creative manicure than I had done in a while. I also really like how this was a bit of a conversation starter. It was really beautiful to get to kind of carry around this message on my nails. I always think it's so cool how we can carry around really fun designs and just little messages on our nails when we get to do nail art, so I thought that was really cool. And of course they were very festive. I love Easter, I love springtime. It's such a fun refresh for the year, and after winter is over, it's so much fun to get back into seeing some joyful blooms around, and I thought this was really special. So my rating for this one is 10 out of 10. There's really nothing I would change, and I really love this one, so that was really fun to do. Number 3 on our list, and I forgot to say these are in no particular order and the ratings I'm doing are just for fun. I think all these manicures turned out really nice and I'm positive that all of yours did too, so the ratings are just for fun, just so we can go through and kind of see what I liked and I didn't love about some of these designs. So anyway, number 3 on our list is my princess manicure. I was in a musical during the spring and it was really fun, and I got to play a princess. So here's a picture of the crown that I got to wear, which was really fun. but this crown was kind of what I used as the inspiration for my manicure for when I was actually doing the show. So this one was really simple. I didn't want to do something with a lot of complicated elements just because I wanted it to be, you know, more minimal, since it was just to go with a costume that was pretty fancy. So I just wanted to stick with a main polish and then add a little bit of sparkle. So I think this one is really pretty, and I do really like this photo. I think I just found some flowers at a grocery store and I thought it was really cute. So I really love how this one matched my costume. Again, I think it really does match the crown super well, and my dress was gold, so that was really fun. Yeah, and this was also really easy to care for during the show. I mean, you know, if you've ever worn glitter nail polish, it is not easy to get off usually, so the glitter and sparkly elements kind of helped the polish stay on really well throughout, you know, Tech Week and the shows and everything. And I just love how sparkly this one is. This gold glitter is so pretty. So I really like this one. It was really easy to do. It was just really quick. I think I did this one kind of last minute before the show. So anyway, my rating for this one would be 7 out of 10, just because it's not my favorite manicure of the whole year. I really do like it, and of course it was part of a very special and fun show, so that was really fun, but it is just not one of my favorites, and there are others during the year that I liked better, so I still really like this one. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick with 7 out of 10 for this one. Oh, and I forgot to say, this one was from April 13th, 2023. Next up is one of my favorite manicures of the whole year. This is my Kawaii Bubble Tea or Boba nail art. This one was a part of a very special video where I got to recreate a very old manicure of mine, and that old manicure was inspired by a craft that I saw on YouTube many years ago. So this one is just so adorable. It makes me so happy. I just love the cute little kawaii faces. I remember, I think these faces that I originally wanted to do, and actually got to do a bit better in the newer one, were inspired again by another cute polish video that I saw several years ago. She did some kawaii emojis and I thought they were so cute, so that combined elements of that too. But this one is adorable. I really loved creating it and getting to recreate it especially. It was fun to create the first time. And fun fact, the video that included this manicure originally was the first video I ever posted on YouTube with a voiceover. So that one's very special. You can go watch it if you want. It's very old, but it's very special to me. So this one is really nostalgic. It just brought back a lot of good memories from when I first started making videos. And I did get a lot of compliments on this one. I thought that was so lovely. A lot of my friends who saw it when I was wearing it really liked it, and on Instagram you guys were so kind with your lovely kind words about this manicure, so that was really nice too. And the process was really enjoyable. Like, it was a lot of fun to create and come up with the expressions and just get to give it a bit of a glow up from the original manicure from many years ago. And overall it was just a really cheery process to make this manicure come to life again. And also just the boba themed vlog was really fun. I got to do a craft, I got to get some boba. It was really nice, so I'll put that video up in the cards if you missed it. It was from over the summer. But yeah, overall I would definitely give this one a rating of 10 out of 10. There's really nothing I would change, and it was just a great experience. Next on our list is another fun one. This is my cute floral manicure from another one of my vlogs over the summer. It was actually the first kind of official video that I posted in 2023, because I had posted my recap video in the beginning of the year, but this was my first real video of the year. So anyway, I had been wanting to create a vlog for a very long time in a specific way, just kind of inspired by the YouTubers that I love to watch on YouTube. So here's a picture from the vlog. It was really fun to get to share kind of some different content than I normally do, because you guys know I love sharing nail art and just videos like that, but I also really love watching vlogs, so it was really fun to get to combine some elements that I didn't normally get to do, and it was really just kind of freeing to try something new, and I really want to continue to include elements like that. So let me know what kind of other vlogs you might like to see in the new year. Hopefully I can create some more like this, because this one was such a joy. So anyway, this one was created on June 14th, 2023. I forgot to say that. Sorry, I keep not saying my dates. Anyway, this one is so cute. I love the colors. I love the very kind of elegant, minimal look of it. It was really easy to create. I remember I was up early for this video. I wanted to make sure I had a nice long morning to record, and it was really fun. So I did this manicure in the morning, and I really love the nail length that I had at this time too. It was really nice. Yeah, and it was just, again, part of a special vlog. It combined some summer memories, and it was just really nice. So again, like I said, I love the pretty colors too. They just go really nicely and just remind me of the colors that I was enjoying during the summer of 2023. So my rating for this one would be 10 out of 10 also. There's really nothing I would change. Next up, we have a good old natural nails manicure from July 10th, 2023, and I actually did wear my nails really natural for most of this year. Even though I didn't take kind of an official break like I did last year, I did spend a lot of time just enjoying how my nails naturally are, and I talked about that a lot over on my blog and on my Instagram throughout this year. Here's another picture from another point during the year, but it is just always so comfortable and manageable to wear your nails as they are, and I talked a lot about that in one of my blog posts. And even though I was trying to write some words to kind of encourage you guys, it ended up really encouraging me. So I have been really enjoying wearing my nails natural, and it's just really enjoyable, and I just think it's so special to appreciate your natural nails for how God made them. So sometimes it can be hard to get used to wearing them without polish, because obviously nail art is really fun. And sometimes I know throughout the years, if I've had issues with my nails, with how they were feeling, if they weren't totally healthy or if they were a little bit brittle, sometimes it can be hard. But I do have some tips over in that blog post. I'll link that in the description box if you're interested, just how you can care for your nails and enjoy them for how they are, because they're beautiful the way that they are. So no matter their shape, if they're all different shapes, if they're short, if they're long, however they are beautiful, and just it's really nice to get to actually care for them and enjoy them because they are gorgeous. So my rating for this one would be 10 out of 10. They are lovely because that's how God made them. Next up on our list, we have this trendy blue waves manicure. I really love the picture I have of this one, and this manicure was really special to me because this was a manicure that I wore when I got to go to the beach for a little bit in the summer, and I love the beach, and it's always so special to get to enjoy that part of God's creation, so that was really lovely. And it's been a long time since I had a nice break like that, especially, like I said, with all the moving and everything, so it was just a really special time of relaxation and rejuvenation. So that's partly why this manicure is really special. But I love the bright colors, and I also love that I finally got to put this one together. I had a manicure like this on my Pinterest board for so long, and I finally got to create it, so that was just really fun. I adore the summery colors. Bright pink and bright blue and bright orange were some of my favorite shades over the summer. And this one was pretty simple to do. It was a little tricky. I do remember that I was creating this one kind of in the middle of the night because I was trying to finish prepping with just getting everything in order for enjoying the beach. So this one was pretty simple, but it was just kind of rushed, and I really do like the fun concept of this one. I love the waves and just the bright elements. But overall, my rating for this one would be 8 out of 10, just because, like I said, I felt a little rushed, and I know I could have done this one a little bit better if I had some more time, but it was a really special one to take with me to the beach, so it was really lovely. Our 8th and final manicure of the year is so special. This one is my 6-year YouTube anniversary nail art. This one was so special to create, and this one was one that I created on August 2nd, 2023, and this one was actually inspired by a manicure that I did a pretty long time ago, and it was one that I created to celebrate reaching 1,000 followers on Instagram. So here's that one. You can kind of see how they look similar. But yeah, this one was just super special and just so celebratory and fun. And so this manicure includes the number of subscribers that I had when I was reaching my 6-year anniversary. And I do want to be totally honest with you guys, that number has gone down a little bit, but that's okay. I just really was wanting to commemorate the number that I had at the time, and I just want to celebrate each of you because it's just so special. I think the colors are really cute. I was super happy with the little cake design. That was really fun. That was a suggestion from my mom, and I think it turned out so cute. So this was just a really great way to kind of commemorate this special day, and it was for you guys. So I just really wanted to do a manicure that included each of you in it. So this was really fun, and this photo was taken, I got myself a little treat that day to celebrate, so I wanted to take a picture of my nails with those little treats, so that was really fun. But overall, I would give this one an 8 out of 10 just because it was a little bit more simple, but for the fact of what it was celebrating, that's an absolute 10 out of 10. So that is our last manicure for today. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little recap. It was so much fun to put together. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite manicure that you wore in 2023? Whether it was a really cute design or your beautiful natural nails. I can't wait to chat about it. It was so much fun to get to look back at all of these designs with you. And it was just really great to get to see all the different nail art looks that I got to make this year. A lot of them were very special. I'm really glad that even though it was more sporadic, I'm still so glad that I got to share some fun things with you guys this year. I don't do my nails as often as I used to, but it's still something that's really special to me. It's a hobby that I really enjoy. It's art that I think is so beautiful, and it's a community that I love. And hopefully I can continue to share some fun things with you throughout 2024. So I hope that your new year has been off to a good start. I really, really pray that all of these next 12 months just hold so much joy and wonderful things for you, and health and happiness and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. I actually did want to tell you guys that I am starting something new and fun that I hope will continue to be something that I get to work on throughout 2024. I have launched kind of I'm still trying to figure out what to call it, but kind of an interactive digital magazine over on Patreon. You guys may know, if you've been around on my channel for a pretty long time, that I have had a Patreon for several years, but I've just never had a favorite idea for how to use it. So finally I have come up with something that I think will be really fun. I've been trying to come up with some fun elements to include. So far I've got some hand-drawn coloring pages, printables, and I'm going to be sharing some prayers and short stories and poems and just things like that. I'm going to try to do some ad-free videos, which I think will be really fun, and it's going to be really, really great. So if you guys are interested in joining Sundrop Sisters, that's the name of our little group on Patreon, I will put that link in the description box down below. One thing I will say, if you're not able to purchase a membership at this time, that is totally fine, no pressure at all. In fact, if you do want to see some of the content and you're not able to pay for membership right now, just send me an email and I will be happy to send you a packet of some coloring sheets and fun things like that. I just always want to be able to share the things that I get to create with you guys. So, and another thing is that all of the posts on my Patreon that have to do with prayers or Bible verses or anything like that, those will always be available to you without membership, so feel free to go have a look and take a peek at what I've been posting over there. I still want to try to work on my blog too, but I think this will be a fun way to just kind of create some new things and try some new things for 2024. So no matter what, whether your support is what you're doing right now, which is watching this video, whether you're commenting or your support is silent or vocal or monetary or in prayer, it is always so appreciated, and I can't tell you how grateful I am that you are part of this community and that you spend some time of your day watching a video of mine or reading a post or anything like that. It is just so special to me that God has blessed me with this wonderful community and these opportunities to just share some fun and some sunshine from my corner of the world. So I hope you have the most delightful day. Jesus loves you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a very wonderful 2024, and I'll see you soon in another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. God bless you, my friend. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!